Hello. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of a beachy look. I'm going to use the blush and bronzer brush, and I'm just going to do a little bit of color correcting. I'm going to use Aspen Contour, and I'm just going to get some of that on my blush and bronzer brush and lightly just kind of put that everywhere. You could also use your Bella bronzer to do this. This is just going to kind of even out some of my skin tone. Oh. So just a very light layer. I'm barely getting any on my brush and just swirling it all around. Okay. So we're kind of just like neutralizing our skin tone. Okay, so now the fun part. I have a bobby pin, I have my main highlight color, and I have my moisturizer. So I am going to get a little bit, and I'm going to use a empty top of a tin, and I'm going to dig up some of my main highlight color, and I'm going to make like a BB cream. I'm just gonna do one pump of my moisturizer, and I'm just going to mix that together. So I'm just using the top of my tin, and you can literally just dab this on with your fingers, or if you want to use a brush, the Best Blend brush is one of my favorites for just a really nice natural light look, which is nice for the beach. And so I would just go ahead and get the coverage, or go ahead and blend what you have on. And I actually have a little bit more in my tin, so if I need to go back and add a little bit more, I can. And I'm just kind of swirling it all around. And then I'm just taking the smaller side to like get around my brows. So this is an awesome look for the beach. Okay, so now that I have that there, I'm gonna add just a little bit of a lip and cheek color. And I'm going to use, let's see. I'm gonna go in with, I'm actually gonna use Frenchie. So I'm gonna stick with this brush, get a little bit of that product on there, and just brush that on my cheeks. This is optional. You don't have to do this. We're gonna add a little bit of that on our lips too, just to give us some color. And then I'm also going to use that same color that I used on my cheeks and my lips on my eyes. So I'm sticking with this blend brush. I'm just kind of dabbing it on my eyes. to give me a little bit of color. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to come back and we are going to set everything, and I'm going to use my light setting powder. So I am just using our vanilla setting powder and I'm scraping it up. So it is a loose powder. And I'm going to go back to my blend brush and I'm just going to kind of brush that everywhere. My eyes, because I did set my eye, or I did use a cream on my eyes. So we're going to make sure we set our eyes too. I like to use just a light setting powder when I have a more lighter coverage. So we have no contour on. We have a lip and cheek on. And our main highlight, we used a little bit of Aspen Contour to neutralize our skin. Now we're gonna add a little bit of mascara. And this is the perfect look for the beach. So if you have any questions, let me know. I used our milk cream. There is different packaging. No, I don't think it is actually. So you can get this on our website. All you have to use is one pump of this, your main highlight color, and I used Aspen Contour. That is totally optional. And then I used our setting powder. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good one.